Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Before we jump into this video, I want to remind you, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 5 days. All you have to do for a chance to win is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box, giving away $500 in Bitcoin. Boom, let's go. Again, congratulations to Aiden Launer who won the last giveaway. See our email, congratulations. Confirm when you get the 500. Sent the $500 in Bitcoin. He said, got it. All right, this is a Bitcoin 8-hour chart. So Bitcoin has had some, bullish price action over the last few days. Now it's reached this the upper area, this resistance level. Question is, can the Bitcoin bull show up and put in one more move higher? From a macro perspective, you've got a low, a high. This is a lower low. So a lower high would be bearish, and we would be looking for another move to the downside. The bulls have to put in a higher high for mega bullish upside. Some type of ranging here would give us an amazing altcoin season, period. All right, and so that potentially is one scenario. This is a 4-hour chart. You can see Bitcoin broke above this trend line right here. What the bulls need to do is it's called a hook and go. Hook and go. Boom. 30-minute chart, you got this rising channel. 68% chance this breaks to the downside. However, there's definitely more room for moves to the upside. I got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person hit me up. He said, I just realized between my 2 accounts, I hit the 6-figure club, both in Australian dollars and USD. So you can see, this is a pretty cool setup he's got. You can see he started his initial investment with Australian dollars, 15,000. He increased in value, 60,000. Okay. His other account, he started with 18,000 Australian dollars. He increases the account, 45,000 Australian dollars. So you can see total valuation is about $137,000. Huge. Like, I've got so many people in the trading group, 6-figure club, 5-figure club, 7-digit club. Huge. This person, I want to personally thank you for all your knowledge over the past few months. I turned $10,000 into $120,000 over the 18 months I was in the group. This person, I made $8,000 in 2 days. These are brand new traders. They didn't know at all how to trade before. Before they joined the group, they never traded before. We're about to see the biggest, fastest gains in the shortest period of time. And I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups, period. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. This is Alpha, up 29% in 2 days. This is SXP, up 45% in 9 days. I've got a setup for this in just a bit for you guys. DGB, quick 30% profits after a couple days. So again, keep just killing it in the trading group. This is a bullish idea for Bitcoin. Essentially, this person is saying back in 2017, at one point, Bitcoin price action lost the 50 MA and then came down to the 111 daily MA, right? And then bounced and then continuation to the upside, okay? And again, this was pulled back to $2,000 and obviously ran to $20,000. All right, so here we are again. This is Bitcoin. We lost the 50 MA, pulled back to the 111 MA, and now potentially could close and hook and go and take off. I mean, this person's thinking $100,000 Bitcoins in the cards. And I mean, I don't think this is a top. CZ came out. This is the billionaire behind Binance. And he said people worried about this as the top for crypto is like the guys thinking that the internet reached its maturity with Alta Vista directories in 1995. Google wasn't even started then. And that's it. I mean, man, this is just, gosh, there's so much upside for this market. It's ridiculous. Ethereum's got some tremendous upside. Bitcoin does too. These altcoins are about to explode. Listen, the calm before the storm. Get ready. Watch. Ethereum 2.0 merger, DevNet completes successfully. So a lot of people are excited about this. The first full proof of stake communication between different Ethereum clients has completed successfully. This is huge. They said that the testnet's not stable right now. They're going to be testing on it over the next few weeks. Ethereum price action, booming. Now, you're going to have some overhead resistance in this 3,000 area, okay? Broke to the upside of this rising channel. I mean, this is mega bullish, right? You got targets of 3,000, 3,300, $3,700 Ethereum. This is it. So Ethereum potentially, and Ethereum BTC has been looking amazing, right? Ethereum BTC, this means Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. It's been outperforming Bitcoin. This is an altcoin season indicator right here. So what typically happens is this kind of peaks out and then over time. And then when it does pull back, you see money flow dump into the large caps and the money flow cycle starts over as far as like this altcoin season that we have upon us. You guys might remember Ethereum USDT gave a buy signal here of this breakout at about $2,400. Just a recent kind of rebuy for Ethereum. $2,400 is now $2,900. Solid profits out of Ethereum. SXP. You guys remember this one? I posted this. This is from January the 24th. 16,000 people saw this. Markdown phase, accumulation phase, markup phase. Okay, this is in January, end of January. Okay, accumulation. This is when whales buy. This is how they make all their money, when no one's talking about these coins, right? And my idea was, hey, that you're going to hold this for a couple months. You could dollar cost average into your position. We're looking for $5. Here we are, SXP booming, and you can see what happened. I mean, does it get any easier than this? These rounded bottoms, when I say they pay the bills, like, look, this is what happens. Like, if you just understand the basic principles of these rounded bottoms, like, you can make a tremendous amount of money. But you want to enter these midterm holds, like right when the price action breaks above the 200. We talk about this all the time. Look, price action broke and hold above the 200 right here. And then boom, here we are, $5. This is the new setup. I'm looking for $8 to $10 SXP. And the cup and handle. You're going to buy the breakout of this level. And then the targets are marked over here. 550, 680, 750, 860, 1050. We're up 45% on SXP already because we bought the bottom of the handle. This is alpha. This is a midterm hold idea. Some of these are forming new bases, right? This is essentially going to be, in the bull market, like, this is a reaccumulation. When this starts to play out, you get these breakouts. You're going to see 100, 200, maybe 300% profits out of alpha, possibly more, okay? And you could see when you had this falling wedge right down here, after the breakout, right, we had this DeFi altcoin season 8x'd, right? Then happened again here. Falling wedge, breakout, 11x'd, right? This is 20x right here, 20x out of alpha. We started buying it way down here. Now listen, here we are again. Buying the breakout of this level, this all-time high, that's the safest entry. Okay, you can, if anything crazy happens with Bitcoin and you do get some type of pullback down here, I mean, that would be your buy. Just recently, you got some volume coming in and you got a breakout above this trend line. So if you do you got to zoom into like the 1 hour chart, look for a pullback to this area, which if Bitcoin pulls back, that's very possible. Like, so when you're looking for entry, there's a lot of different ideas. Right? For most people, buying and holding these coins is going to be the easiest. And we have 95% of the people in the trading group just buy and hold, midterm hold, right? Take some profits, let it cool off, rebuy. So I mean, but you want to get the best entry. You want a dollar cost average. But alpha, you got a bullish MACD cross on the daily. Down here, I said the RSI. Look, I said the RSI looks close to overbought, but look what happened here. The price action went up 1,155% when the RSI was up here, right? So just remember, like these RSI, I mean, it can go very, very overbought, right? It could go parabolic while it's overbought. So just keep an eye on alpha, midterm hold idea, ramp, buy the breakout of this falling wedge. So a huge downtrend for ramp, huge downtrend, and now it broke out. And then it came and essentially formed this falling wedge again on the 1 hour time frame. Looking for a breakout here. You could see 50% gains out of ramp based on this idea. Badger. So I saw about 6 Bitcoin worth of buys come in. This has not broken out yet. But you're going to buy the bull flag breakout on Badger. Remember, a lot of these are on Binance. Make sure make an account. The link is in the description. If you're in the United States, you have to use PureVPN. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.